Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best, most innovative products that truly make life easier. And today, we've got a game changer for every parent out there. Presenting the best Pacifier Thermometer digital quick reading, the OTGO high accuracy thermometer with LCD display, designed especially for babies. Let's face it, trying to take a baby's temperature using a traditional thermometer can be frustrating, if not impossible. Squirming, crying, and discomfort are all too common. That's where this little gem comes in. It's not just a thermometer. It's a soothing pacifier combined with a high-accuracy digital thermometer, and it's here to make temperature checks gentle, easy, and stress-free. This product looks just like a regular baby pacifier, available in soft pink or blue tones, but it's much more. Once placed in the baby's mouth, it begins measuring body temperature quickly and accurately. Within minutes, you get a digital readout on the built-in LCD display, located conveniently on the front. No need for rectal thermometers, no more underarm struggles, and definitely no waking a sleeping baby to get a reading. One of the standout features is the clear, easy-to-read LED digital LCD screen. It displays the temperature in real time, so there's no guessing involved. Whether you're dealing with a midnight fever check or just want peace of mind, a quick glance at the screen tells you exactly what you need to know. What's also impressive is its precision. This isn't a novelty item, it's engineered for accuracy. It's sensitive enough to detect even slight changes in temperature, helping you catch early signs of fever before it becomes more serious. And since it mimics the familiar comfort of a pacifier, your baby stays relaxed the entire time. Another detail worth mentioning is the lightweight, compact design. It's small enough to toss in a diaper bag and carry anywhere. Whether you're visiting the grandparents, heading to the doctor, or just at home keeping a close eye on your little one, this thermometer is always ready to go. Setup is simple. It's a one-button operation. Just press the power button, place it in your baby's mouth, and let it do its job. It even has an auto shut-off feature to preserve battery life, which is a thoughtful addition for busy parents. And let's talk about safety. The OTGO Pacifier Thermometer is made with baby-safe, non-toxic materials. It's soft, smooth, and gentle against sensitive gums. Maintenance is easy too. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth or use a sanitizer wipe after use, and it's good to go for next time. It's for every parent who wants to monitor their baby's health without turning it into a wrestling match. It's for the nighttime caretakers, the daycare providers, and the new moms and dads trying to make sense of a crying baby. This device eliminates the guesswork and helps you act with confidence. In a world filled with smart gadgets and high-tech tools, sometimes it's the simple, clever solutions that shine the brightest. The OTGO Digital Pacifier Thermometer proves that innovation doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to work where it matters most. So if you're ready to ditch the old-school thermometers and embrace a baby-friendly, accurate, and reliable solution, check out the OTGO High Accuracy Digital Pacifier Thermometer. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your home for smarter shopping. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our weekly deep dives into the most useful products out there. See you in the next one.